Hello guys, it's me again, Promise Peters by name of the Ritis FX. And on today's episode, we'll be discussing about how to choose the right broker. In my previous episode, we discussed about what is a broker, who is a broker, and what a broker actually does. So on today's own episode, we'll be discussing about how to choose the right broker. How do we know the right broker to choose? A lot of people have been calling like, promise, which broker do you use? Which broker do you recommend? Which broker would you recommend? For me, I'm not here to come and tell you you should actually use this broker, you have to use this broker. But I'm here to tell you some things you should put into consideration before actually picking a broker. Number one thing on my list is regulations. Before choosing a broker, you as a trader, you need to make your research. Go onto Google, search about this particular broker, see if this broker is being regulated by some very major authorities. For instance, the Security and Exchange Commission, that is SEC of the United States of America. The second authority you should look about is the UK Financial Conduct Authorities, that is the UK FCA. As the saying goes, regulations guarantees security. For instance, you have a broker that is not regulated under those listed authorities that are listed above. The broker can do anything with your funds. They can choose to run away with your funds, and you can't find them. You don't have anywhere to look for them. So with brokers under those regulations, it is very easy for you to say, okay, you report to those authorities that this is what happened to you as a trader. Before you know, they'll get to the broker. So you as a trader, you need to check if that particular broker is being regulated by various authorities, like the one I mentioned, the SEC and the FCA, that's the UK Financial Conduct Authorities. Second on my list, we have the trading platform. You as a newbie, you don't want to go into something that will be very difficult for you to understand. From my knowledge and the advice I've gotten from my various traders and most especially my mentor, is that make trading as easy, as simple as it can be for you as a financial trader. So don't go into things that will make trading very difficult for you to understand. And so choose a broker that offers a user-friendly platform for you to trade, not a platform that you don't even know where the buy button is, where the click button is. You have to go into different areas in the platform before you can even take a trade. So pick a trader that offers a user-friendly platform. You don't have to stress to do anything in that platform. I hope you guys are following. Thirdly on my list, we have customer support. Take it this way, think about it this way. You as a trader, you have an issue. The first person you go to is your broker. You report to your broker and it's taking like over 48 hours to respond to your message. I have had that experience before. Immediately I changed the broker. So if you have an issue and you relate it to your broker should take the trader as a priority, even if the trader has a very slim amount of money in his account. The trader should be a priority to the broker, because traders will leave good market by a broker. So if your trader is not attending to you the way you want the broker to attend to you, my dear trader, you need to change the broker. Because if you have an issue and you relate it to your broker, he should be concerned also, because your money is involved. So he should be concerned when you have an issue when it comes to trading. So don't sleep on it. Once you experience slack in your response, delay in response to your broker, and they didn't inform you about the delay, bro, you need to change the broker. My sister, you need to change the broker. Fourthly on my list, we have spread and fees. Like the saying, spread maximize profit. At the same time, spread maximize loss. If, for instance, a broker that offers higher spread and you make a loss in that particular trade, the loss will be different from someone that is using a broker that offers a lower spread. Even if you guys have the same entry, everything is the same. But because the spread on that particular trade being offered by the broker is slightly different, the amount of loss will be different. So you as a trader, you need to make the research yourself. See which broker you compare. See which broker offers a lower spread compared to other brokers. That's where you click in, because you opt to maximize your profit and minimize your loss as a trader. That's an aspect of risk management on that topic on its own entirely. But basically, you just have to know these things. If you want to maximize your profit, you go for a lower spread. If you want to minimize your loss, you go for a lower spread. So when you eventually make a loss, the loss is minimal. It's not like a big loss that has resulting from spread. So you as a trader, you look into a broker that offers lower spread and also charge lower fees in terms of giving out carrying out his action. So guys, all these things are things you have to consider before picking a broker. So guys, if this is your first time watching or coming across my video, like I said, let me repeat myself. I am commentator of the Witix FX, and I would like you to be a part of my community by you subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop bangers, videos, episode by episode. You will be the first to be notified. Also, share this video to those you think it will be very useful to. When I mean useful, those that are in the financial market, those that want to go into the financial market. Share this video to them and let's keep growing. Fifth on my list, we have account type. So various broker offers different accounts. Some offer a live account, some don't offer a demo account. But I don't advise you just go into live trading without trading in the demo, but don't stay on the demo for too long. So demo trading helps you to test the skill, test that trading skill that you say you have as a trader. So you need to pick a broker that offers you a trading system where you can try your your skill, where you can test if okay, I can actually trade live. So pick a broker that offers demo account and a live account. So you test your skill, actually test your skill set before going into a real funded account. Because I won't lie to you, Forex in the foreign exchange market, you lose money. If there's any trader out there that is deceiving you and telling you, I have a system, I have a style that you can trade and don't lose money, well, run from that trader. He's trying to deceive you. In the foreign exchange market, you must lose money as a trader. There's no two way about it. The only thing you can do is when you lose, you minimize your losses. But when you make profit, then what I say, you maximize it. And it's all about getting a system that works. So a system that it can give you, out of 10 trades, it can give you 6 wins. 4 losses and 6 wins. It's a good risk to return, my brother or my sister. You guys watching me, if you have 4 losses and you have 6 wins out of 10 trades, it's a profitable one. Going forward, we'll be talking about the 6th thing to consider before choosing a broker is leverage. Leverage amplifies profit. It amplifies the amount of money you make in the market. So a broker that gives you leverage He wants you to be able, for instance, like in my previous video, I talked about what is leverage and how leverage helps you as a trader in the foreign exchange market. Take for instance, you have $100 account, and then you are being able to trade 1,000 units of particular currency. You think that is magic? That is with the help of a broker. So you have to consider, in order to amplify the amount of money you make as a trader, you have to look into the leverage. We have different type of leverages actually. One is to 100, one is to 1,000, one is to 10,000, stuff like that. So for every $100 you deposit in your account, you have access to 10,000 units of currency. That means you can trade up to 10,000 units of currency in the foreign exchange market. That is with the help of a broker. So you as a trader, you need to consider that aspect of foreign exchange, because you need to make money. Everyone coming into the foreign market is with the intention of making money. So don't be deceived. There are other things you learn, but the first and most important thing is I want to make money. I want to live the flashy life and all that. So guys, that's the end of today's episode of Derivatives FX. You know how we do it. If you are watching this video for the first time, it's not by coincidence. It actually means you need something from this video. Why not we take part by sharing this video, liking this video, comment below any question, anything at all you want to ask me about how to choose the right broker or anything about foreign exchange, and I'll always be there for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also smash the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop episode concerning foreign exchange. And if you want to watch a video or you want to know more about who is a broker and what a broker does, this is the video to watch so you get educated on who is a broker and what a broker does. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. Trade life, trade freedom. Thank you.